Hello, today I'm going to share some updates to our Google Analytics Classic Reporting app available now in the Shopify App Store. This app recreates all of the e-commerce reports from Universal Analytics using Google Analytics 4 data right here in your Shopify admin with just a couple minutes of setup. We've added some major new features to this since releasing, and I want to share those with you in this video. The first that we're really excited about is this Product Explorer. This page makes it really easy to see how your different products are performing, and you can filter this report by product category, name, or variant. So if you have a lot of products and you want to see, hey, I just want to see how our till death herbal tea is performing, I can select that here and it'll show me the performance of that particular product. It'll show me the product views, add to carts, checkouts, and purchases for that specific product. Down here, it will show me the breakdown of all the different variants for that product, including the buy to detail ratio and the quantity purchased. Cool. You can also break down this dimension by product category. So if you have a store that has a lot of different products and you want to see how maybe your men's category of clothing is performing, you can do that there. Or you can select an individual variant. So if you want to say, hey, how are our medium sizes performing across all of our different clothing lines, you could do that here. Right? The report shows, as you can see, the funnel, so the conversion from people who view the product page all the way to people who purchase, and then a breakdown down here of every single product that matches the filters that you've selected over here. Okay, cool. The next report that we've created is a Klaviyo report. So if you use Klaviyo, we don't on this demo store, but if you use Klaviyo, go ahead and check that out. It shows all of your users and the performance of your individual Klaviyo campaigns. So take a look at that. Next up, we added a search terms report. So this is a really powerful report that you actually can't get in the Google Analytics 4 standard reporting. It breaks down the conversion rate of all of your searches, your on-site searches, so your site search terms. This will show you the e-commerce conversion rate for those search terms. Like I said, you can't actually create this report manually directly in the Google Analytics 4 reporting interface. You need to do a lot of work with the Google Analytics 4 reporting API that we do to be able to generate this report. So if your site relies heavily on search terms, definitely take a look at this. I think you'll find it super valuable. Similarly, we added a search usage report. Here, this is a little bit different. This is just broken down. This is similar to the Universal Analytics search usage report. It shows you, just compares the performance of people who use your site search to people who don't. What's cool about this is you can also break this down by individual dimensions. So if you want to see the performance of non-search Google organic users, you can do that here, right? Or more likely, search user Google organic users. Cool. Next up, we made a big update to the order coupon page. It now includes the average discount amount and the total discount amount. So if you use coupons, you can get that here. That discount amount, again, is not one of those metrics that's available in the Google Analytics reporting interface. What we do is pull the gross item revenue and the e-commerce revenue and subtract the two, broken down by order coupon, to be able to calculate that. It takes a lot of different API calls and stuff like that to be able to calculate that from Google Analytics. You can't get it in the reporting interface directly. Next, we added a feature to the e-commerce funnel. Similar to the search usage report that we just saw, you can now break this down, break your e-commerce funnel down by these different dimensions here. So just like in Universal Analytics, you could break it down by mobile versus desktop, and you could see the same funnel that you saw up here. You can now see that down here broken down by specific dimensions. Okay. Cool. One other thing that I'm super happy with, I think that this is just a delightful little feature, is we added these clickable links to dimensions, right? So these clickable links are here, for instance, on the landing page. If you click on it, it will open the actual landing page in your Shopify store, in your specific Shopify store. It will open that landing page. It will work on order coupons. It will open up the order coupon in your Shopify admin. If you click if you click on the sales performance report and you click on this, it will open up the actual transaction ID, the actual order page in your Shopify admin. And then finally, same with the pages, just like landing pages. If you click on this, it will open up that page in your Shopify store. This makes it really easy, feels really integrated between the Shopify admin, your Shopify store, and your Google Analytics data. So if you want to be like, hey, what is this landing page that everybody is going to? You can click on it and it will open that landing page. Or maybe if that landing page isn't converting as well as you would like to, you could click on that and you could go, I see that there's something wrong with that page. Or if you're looking up a specific order in the sales performance report, you can click on this. It'll open up that report directly in Google Analytics, in the Shopify admin, Same with the order coupon. Okay. Cool. Finally, we have a really nice update to the Explorer reports here. So source medium channels, campaigns, landing pages, those pages, we have a really nice update to that where you can now select whatever event you like in the report, right? So this is very similar to Universal Analytics, where in Universal Analytics, you could select whatever conversion you liked on, for instance, the source medium report, and it would give you the conversion rate. So we recreate that here with a little upgrade. You do not have to mark the event in advance in Google Analytics 4 as a conversion event to be able to use this feature. Super nice. So that way, if you want to say, hey, what is the conversion rate of my Google Organic add to cart? How many people from Google, what percentage of people from Google Organic are adding items to their cart? You can see here, you can get that answer just like this. Just by clicking this, you don't have to go into the Google admin, flag the add to cart as a conversion, right? And then wait a couple of weeks to get your answer. You can just select it right from here. You'll also get the total events, the unique events, and the event value directly from this selection. So hope you find all of these updates useful. Do let us know if there's any other reports you would like to see, any other features you'd like to see. We're rolling out new features, new reports all the time. So do try out the app. Comes with a 7-day free trial, and it's only $10 a month after that. So thanks for checking out the video, and hope to see you in the app soon.